Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I'm super excited to come to you to show off a sort of mini kit paper pack that I am going to be putting up on my Kofi account as a freebie. So just a little backstory. Back in the day, early 2000s, I used to create digital scrapbook kits. The big 12 by 12s. I used to, as you probably have seen on my channel a lot of times, I have a lot of scrapbooking stuff. So I went from real scrapbooking to digital scrapbooking to designing scrapbooking papers. I did it for a couple years, and then, you know, interest change, whatever. Moved on from that and stopped creating them. But yesterday, thanks to my lovely husband, I was able to track down some of my old digitals that I had made, that I had saved onto a external hard drive. And yeah, I was able to download them finally, get them out of the iCloud so I can play with them. These are not any of them that I created before. I created these all from scratch, but I do have some papers that I can play with and layer with and fun stuff. So with that said, it's been a while, so I'm a little rusty, but hopefully you will love these as much as I love them. And again, freebie, link in the description. They are, I believe I'm going to call it like hearts and more, because it's got some hearts on it, as you can see, and some other stuff. It's sort of geared toward Valentine's Day, but not really. They can be used in any kind of journal. Spring journals, love journals, really any kind of journal. So without, I printed them on some 24-inch paper, so they're not thick sheets. I have not printed anything on the back. Usually when I do digitals, I'll print one side and then take them and then print anything on the back, but I didn't want to do that just yet. Just wanted to do the one side. And I have not cut them down. My printer does not do borderless or user error. I haven't figured out how to do borderless. So like I said, I think I said I have 8 pages, and then I got a extra bonus in there for that. So I really love to hear what you think about these. I would appreciate any feedback. I'm hoping someday to be able to actually maybe create some kits to sell. I don't think I'll ever sell them for like some huge amounts kind of deal, but we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll always just offer freebies. I know how it can be starting out with this. You know, you want to do a junk journal, so you really don't want to spend a ton of money on items. Now you have to print them, so it's a little bit of an expense, but not as much as having to buy them. So with further ado, let's get going. Stop yapping, Lisa. All right, so I try to create them in a junk journal mindset. So like when you take a page and you would fold it, like this one would have just a plain side. This one would be all hearts kind of deal. So we have hearts and plain, kind of grungy. Second page has a border of hearts. Again, split them in half. I'll do it like this, split in half. You got one page that way and another page that way. I'll grab something a little bit more the right size. All right, so for this next one, as you can see, it looks like a flower field, but hearts on the top. So one side has some skinnier tall hearts. This one has a single heart with a daisy. Very cute. This one has some more hearts. But again, this side, a little bit more writing on. This side, a little bit more graphic. They mostly pinks and reds with hints of blue. Might be hard to tell, but there's like hints of blue on these for them also. So this one is a little bit more blue. It's a little bit more obscure, but again, back to the spring and blue and pinkish tones. So this side is all generic music background. This side has pretty tree with flowers and a butterfly and a sprinkling of like raindrops. So that is that one. And this one is very, very lightweight, kind of watercolors looking, with roses, and in the background is some script. So again, that side page and that side, fun, fun, fun. And the next one is a little bit more graphic, where it was splooches of watercolors and some stripes in the background. And it's probably hard to tell, it's better to tell in person, but there's a very light lace kind of outline on there, kind of like an embossed look of lace on that page and that side. So you have like a border of lace here with the smooches, and then a border of lace there. Just kind of fun. All right, and this one is just a gradient of, like I said, blues and pinks and a little bit to the yellow with some dots. And this side is, you know, a little bit darker. This side's a little bit lighter. And it kind of can go both ways. So no matter if you want the blue on top, yellow on the bottom, vice versa, it does not really have a direction on it. So those are fun to do. Very cute. I love it. All right, and then this is the bonus I threw in there. I found a sort of faux stamp kind of looking thing, and I ended up putting parts of the bigger papers in there to cut out. You can cut it out full with the little stamp edges. You can cut it down just to have the beige around it, or just cut it down to have just the pictures in there. The squares are approximately 2.5 by 3.5. Yeah, so they're tiny little journal cards, but they're cute. So, well, so that is my take on this kit. Again, it's going to be a freebie up in this my Kofi store. So I hope you like it. Like I said, I got lighter colors, darker colors. I got hearts and more. Right? Cute. I love it. All right, well, that is going to be it for me today. I'm not going to be making any project with this. I think what I'm going to do is end up putting it with my pink journal that I have. I've already printed some pages that I printed some double ones, but these are going to end up going in here too to add some pages to it. Or this will be on its own, but I'm going to save this for February's to do. So I'm not going to cut it up and make a project with it just today. But yeah, and like I said, I probably end up printing some stuff on the back to have it be able to fold for journal wise. So, all right, that is going to be it for me today. Again, if you have any questions or comments about it, I'd love to hear your take on this. And if there's anything you'd like to see, like I said, I'm in the repracticing mode, getting reused to creating some pages and digitals. So, yeah, any hints or ideas of something you'd like to see? I'd love to be able to practice on that idea. So hit me up with some ideas for some kits or journal pages, mini kits that you'd like to see, because I'd love to be able to help you out and get you something. So, all right, that's going to be it for me today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you all have a wonderful and creative day. Bye now.